Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you 4 mini gift bags that are so cute and easy to sew. For the first bag, all you need is 3 pieces of fabric, and once you're done sewing this bag, it comes out so fast and it is so beautiful. It has enough space to carry quite a few gifts and it looks really pretty. The next bag is really nice because it looks almost like a fabric paper gift bag. All you need for this bag is 3 pieces of fabric, and the other 2 pieces of fabric are the handles. As you can see, I just folded mine up until they were really thin, and once you're done sewing, the inside looks so neat and it's so beautiful like this. It has some perfect boxed out edges, and once you turn it inside out, it comes out as this really beautiful gift bag, which is perfect for any occasion. Next is this really beautiful shaped bag. You can either close it or leave it as an open bag, which works perfectly if you want to hang things like clothing items or blankets, for example. For this bag, it is so easy. All you need is 4 pieces of fabric. Here are the other 2. You simply have to attach them together, and this is so quick and it's so easy. This is the first part done, and for the making of the bag, all you need to do is to just join these sides together and simply sew on the edge of each side. Once you're done sewing this bag, it comes out as this really beautiful mini tote bag, and it's so perfect as a gift bag or even as a fashion bag. And lastly for today, we have these really beautiful mini drawstring bags. They are perfect for gifts that are slightly smaller in size, and if you just want to put in a card inside, they are so perfect. As you can see, they are 2 options to have either 1 drawstring or 2 drawstrings. All you need for this bag is 1 big piece of fabric and the handles of the drawstring. Once you put the drawstring inside, the bag comes out really nice, and that is how you close the bag. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and until next time, bye!